take a 1/2-inch breaker bar, pull over and release the belt from the alternator. Uncover the terminal, got a 10mm bolt, take it off. Remove the nut, cable, and take and remove the connector. You have 4 10mm bolts up here, and then you're gonna have 2 down here. So one right there, and one right there. All right, so I got the 4 bolts out on the top. Might have to pop this off. It's just probably one of the wire bundles. We get this out of the way, and then also too those bolts on the bottom. So don't take those all the way out. The one on the left right there and the one on the right. Just loosen them, all right? And then now we're just gonna move this bracket out of the way and then pull the alternator straight up. Wearing these side by side, it does look like this thing's getting a little charcoaled. But I took and checked my voltage on my battery without it started. It was like, I don't know, 11 something. 11.5-ish, and then when I started it, put the multimeter back on the battery, it was about 11.2, so that was one way of identifying the alternator was jacked up. All right, we got our 4 screws back on, obviously the bracket too. We got our cam plug reinstalled, it's pushed in, and we got our nut tightened up. And we're gonna put our sleeve back on top of that. Make sure that you torque these guys to at least 22 foot-pounds. And then the lower ones, I'd say like 25 foot-pounds. But I torqued those on the bottom first once I got everything, you know, started as far as the screws, like started the screws up here, bolts rather, and then torque down. But now, I'm gonna play with that cover later. I'm going to put tension again on this guy. I've got a 24-inch breaker bar, and it's a 1/2-inch drive. And then I'm gonna re-put my belt back on after I put tension on this guy, on the idler arm. Make sure it's nice and routed, it's even before you put the tension back on it. Make sure that even over here on the steering pump, you know, that it's where it needs to be. Just make sure it's all aligned before you put the tension back on it and before you start it. But that's it. If you got any questions, just let me know, put them in the comments. If you got any suggestions, put them in the comments. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe.